Good morning Standard 8 students. In my last video, I have showed you how to make abstract noun from verbs. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to make abstract noun from adjectives. So, let's start. Now dear students, you can see how to make abstract noun from adjectives. So I have written some adjectives over here for you, and I will change all these adjectives into abstract noun. Now here you see the first, delightful. So delightful, the abstract noun of delightful, it will be delightfulness. So delightfulness. So the abstract of delightful is delightfulness. Now you see the second word I have written for you, interesting. Interesting is an adjective. Like I heard an interesting story. So interesting is an adjective. So what will be the abstract noun of interesting? It will be interest. Now third, dignified. So he is to do a dignified job. So dignified is an adjective. So what will be the abstract noun of dignified? It will be dignity. Now the fourth word is innocent. So what will be the abstract noun of innocent? Innocence. Innocence. So INNOCENCE. Innocence. Now fifth will be fascinating. So what will be the abstract noun of fascinating? Fascination. So abstract noun of fascinating is fascination. Now the sixth word is generous. So what will be the abstract noun of generous? Generosity. The abstract noun of generous is the generosity. 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 Now seventh is sensational. So what will be the abstract noun of sensational? Sensation. The abstract noun will be the sensation. Now see the eighth word I have written for you, ambitious. So what will be the abstract noun of ambitious? It will be ambition. Now ninth is the growing. So what will be the abstract noun of growing? It will be growth. So the abstract noun of growing is growth. 10th is the aggressive. So aggressive, that's the abstract noun of aggressive is the aggressiveness. So here you see I have changed all these adjectives into abstract nouns. I hope that you have understood how to change the adjectives into abstract nouns. In my next video, I am going to teach you more about grammar. So, stay with me for the next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.